Iodine is essential for a healthy functioning thyroid gland. So today we're going to be making a healthy, delicious, and iodine-rich recipe. Please stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and we create healthy and delicious recipes that hopefully motivate you and inspire you. Today we're going to be making an iodine-rich seaweed salad. Let's begin by placing 1 3/4 ounces of dried wakame seaweed into a bowl. So seaweed is super rich in iodine, which helps support a healthy metabolism. Iodine also is super effective at protecting the body from toxins like fluoride, chlorine, and even radiation. So I know for myself I don't always get enough iodine into my diet, and I like to supplement with our iodine drops. And what I do is first thing in the morning, I'll place 3 drops into my mouth, followed by some filtered water. I swish it around for about 30 seconds and then swallow it down. Cover your seaweed with some filtered water until it is rehydrated. So we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes until it's nice and rehydrated. While our seaweed is soaking, let's make a simple dressing. So to a glass measuring cup or bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos or coconut aminos for a soy-free version. 1 tablespoon of almond butter, just for a little bit of healthy fat and protein. Next we have 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, the juice of 1/2 of a lime, which is rich in vitamin C, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of honey. Raw local honey is excellent to use. This is just going to add a little bit of sweetness to our dressing. Of course, you can always substitute with your favorite low glycemic sweetener if you don't eat honey. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root, which is so good for your digestion and tastes wonderful. The last ingredient I have is 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper that helps support a healthy circulation. Also, it will add a little bit of heat to our recipe. If you don't like it, if you want less, if you want more, just adjust it to your tasting and liking. Whisk together your dressing ingredients really well. Once your seaweed is rehydrated, strain out the water and then rinse it off really well. You may need to squeeze out any extra liquid from the seaweed. Toss the seaweed together with your dressing, cover and place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until the seaweed soaks up some of the dressing. When you're ready to serve, garnish with some sesame seeds. Okay, we are ready to give this iodine-rich seaweed salad a taste. Please forgive me, I'm using a fork, not chopsticks. Didn't have any readily available. That is so good. So it's not really strong in any one flavor. There's a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of ginger. If you really want to kick up the flavor, you could add in some chopped red onions or some minced garlic, even more ginger if you really like the flavor of ginger. I think it is so delicious, so worth a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, make healthy choices this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen for another delicious recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.